Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now once again had a live session where I trade binary option live. And now I'm going to go through the results of this live session. And you can join me in any live session. I trade every Monday till Friday, 1 hour every single day. And we are making money almost every single day. I've been trading now for 1 year and 9 months every single day live, and I only had 20 losings. I have had more than 400 wins. So that means we are printing money. So now what you need to do: subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, like this video, and of course sign up with the same broker that you see I am using here. You find the link below the video. So now let's see what trades we have done today. As you can see, I have done quite a lot. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades. Out of 11 trades, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 11 trades. That is pretty decent. We made a profit. I will calculate in with my cashback up here. So let's push this $24 up here. There. Let's add that into the calculation. We made a profit of $190 in this live session. That is okay. So basically, just to explain to you, as you will join me on Monday, how I'm trading. When I make a green line like this, that means if this bar here now come down to this green line, we basically just push up. You will typically see me, I've turned fixed off, okay? If I trade in OTC pairs, I typically trade with 15 seconds trade. As you can see, I did the trade here, for example. So if I come up, then up to, for example, let's say I have this line here now. If I come up to the red line, I push down. But if you see me use a line, for example, like this, there, for example, and you see the line is blue, that is just for me to explain about something. That we maybe could go in here if that and that and that happen. But if I'm going to start trading on this line, I will always change it over to a green line. So then if this was green, I would have been trading on it. Okay, but blue line is just for explaining purposes. And so you see where I am. Because many times I look many places on the chart and I make the blue line so you understand where, when I'm explaining something, you know where I'm talking about. Like, for example, that can be if I draw, for example, a trend line. Like, see, maybe something is forming here, right? Then I'm explaining that this is this area here, for example, if that was support, this trend line might break us down, things like this. It's things that I always explain. Because you will see a lot of, I can show you examples where I have drawn. Here you see, for example, we had a trend line. I explained about we need to be careful here in the top because this trend line might squeeze us up. In this case, you see he broke down from it, but he could as easily have broken us up also. So in these cases, I would not have traded more here. I always, if I have some space, I trade it, but when it starts to be too much in the squeeze, I don't trade more. This is to keep the win rate up. Everything I explain, so you can see my live sessions as educational, plus you can join the trades I'm doing. So you get two things in one. And when talking about that, I started myself with $100 here. Of course, that is over a very long time, 1 year, 9 months. But you can see, I come to a quite decent amount. And my own target is to get to 100,000, then I'm going to withdraw maybe 80. That is my plan at least. So, want to join me in this journey and trade and learn from me? And if you want, you can copy my trades. That is completely up to you. Then make sure you join me on Monday, but also make sure you have the broker ready so you can trade together with me. So with that, have an amazing weekend, and I hope I see you in Monday.